Senior pictures from 2005, part 3, starting off with this one. We have a zigzag part, we have heavy black eyeliner, and we have a cami with not just lace, but sequins. It's giving me like Girl Next Door on a CW show for some reason. This lace trim layered tank look was very 2005, but really it's this pose on the fake port. You didn't think your senior pictures were gonna land you a modeling contract. I'm not even sure what you were doing there, but can we look at this smolder? Also, a lot of midriff in this one. Last but not least, this is the full outfit that I wore on the cheetah print chair. This is business casual goes to the club. We have a one strap top, we have dress pants, we have peep toe pumps, and what is this pose?